Hello everyone, welcome to Indian School of Physics. So guys, this is the problem based on last two videos where Newton's laws of motion tutorials I have shared using Pathfinder problems. So I have just modified those problems a bit and just to see whether you can apply those concepts properly in this situation or not. So here is the problem statement. There is a fixed frame lying in the horizontal plane with a bead of Q. The other end of the bead is connected to a massless bead with an inextensible with an inextensible. So its length cannot change, right? String of length L as shown. Bead P is pulled with the velocity V naught as shown. So this bead is pulled with the velocity of V naught and it is massless also. Massless means force is going to be zero on this. And what is the acceleration of bead Q at this instant? So its acceleration they are asking. So it is going to be a slightly challenging problem in my opinion. So I'll request you to frame equations for this and I'll be coming up with its solution very soon. And just check if you what you thought was right or not, and if your thought process was matching with the correct solution, then kudos to you. And guys, this is about compete on Unacademy platform. You can challenge your classmates for duels in PCM, and based on that you'll be getting a rating. And it's trust me, it's a fantastic way of learning physics, chemistry and maths. And 17k plus learners have completed against each other. Actually this number is very large now because this is old slide. So yeah, so just do check it out, and it's a very fantastic way of learning. So guys, that's it in this video, and do let me know in the comment section if you are able to write all the equations successfully and were getting the feel based on the previous two problems. And if you haven't seen those problems, do check those problems also. It will be a concept booster. Thank you.